Alright guys, so I got a lot of people asking me what to do in case you bump the throttle body when you're cleaning it. And this is in reference to the last video I did. So I'm going to show you how to do a throttle body relearn procedure without the scan tool. What you're going to do is turn the key on. You're going to make sure everything is off. And you're going to hold it there for 2 seconds. Then you're going to start it. Once it starts, you're going to rev the vehicle to 3,000 RPM. And it's going to be about 4 to 5 minutes. Once you go through this, the fans are going to cycle off and on 2 times. After that, you can let it idle with the AC on for about another 4 to 5 minutes. And the throttle body is going to be complete with its relearn procedure. I'm about 3 minutes into it right now, holding it at 3,000 RPM. And here's the 5-minute point. So now I'm going to let it idle down. I'm going to turn on the AC. And now it's going to idle for another 4 to 5 minutes. And once the 5 minutes is done, you turn the AC off and your idle should be relearned. Sometimes Hondas are finicky. You might have to do this process a couple times. But as you can see, I'm sitting about 800 to 900 RPM. Everything feels smooth. As I drive, it's going to learn my driving habits and it's going to smooth out even farther. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. I hope this answered your question about what to do if you do have to perform an idle relearn procedure. And I look forward to next time. Thank you.